7 Money Mistakes Americans are making in 2026. If you live in America and your paycheck comes in every month, but somehow, by the end of the month, you have no idea where your money went, you're not alone. In 2026, inflation, rising expenses, and credit card debt are making it harder for many Americans to manage their finances. But the problem isn't always a low income. Sometimes we make money mistakes ourselves that can cost us thousands of dollars over the long term. In today's video, we're going to look at 7 common money mistakes Americans are making in 2026 and how you can avoid them. Mistake number 1, carrying a credit card balance. Credit cards are convenient. They can offer rewards and can be useful in emergencies. But if you don't pay off your balance in full every month, interest charges can seriously hurt your financial goals. Credit card debt is already a major financial problem for many Americans. So, what's the solution? Whenever possible, use your credit card as a spending tool, not as extra income. And if you already have a high balance, make paying down high-interest debt a priority. Mistake number 2, ignoring your emergency fund. Imagine losing your job tomorrow, needing an expensive car repair, or suddenly receiving an unexpected bill. If you don't have savings, you may have to rely on a credit card or loan. A recent Bankrate survey found that around 3 in 10 Americans have more credit card debt than emergency savings. That's why it's important to start building an emergency fund. Your first goal could be $1,000. Then gradually work toward building enough savings to cover several months of essential expenses. Mistake number 3, lifestyle inflation. Your salary goes up and your expenses go up with it. Maybe your $1,500 apartment was good enough before. Then your income increases and suddenly you're spending $2,500 on rent. Then comes the expensive car, more subscriptions, more shopping, and more expensive vacations. The problem is that if your income increases but your savings don't, you may not actually be getting ahead financially. Here's a simple rule. Don't spend every extra dollar you earn. Automatically put a portion of every raise or bonus towards savings and investments. Mistake number 4, ignoring small expenses. A $10 subscription, a $15 delivery fee, a $20 membership, a $30 impulse purchase. Each expense may seem small, but when you combine dozens of small expenses, the yearly total can become surprisingly large. However, don't just blame coffee or subscriptions. You should also review your biggest expenses: housing, transportation, insurance, and debt. In an environment where costs continue to rise, regularly tracking your spending can make a big difference. Mistake number 5, waiting too long to save for retirement. A lot of people think, I'll start saving for retirement later. But when it comes to investing, time matters. Starting early gives your money more time to potentially grow through compounding. And if your employer offers a 401k match, ignoring it could mean leaving valuable benefits on the table. For eligible investors, accounts like an IRA can also be an important part of long-term retirement planning. The point is simple. Don't treat retirement as a problem for the future. Start planning today. Mistake number 6, keeping all your extra cash in a checking account. If you have an emergency fund or short-term savings, it's worth checking where that money is being kept. Some people keep large amounts of cash sitting in a checking account when there may be savings options that can earn interest. So, compare your bank's savings options and current APYs. But don't choose an account based only on the highest interest rate. Also look at fees, withdrawal rules, minimum balance requirements, and FDIC insurance. Mistake number 7, blindly following financial advice. Every day on social media, someone is saying, buy this stock. This crypto is going to explode. This is the fastest way to get rich. But a strategy that works for one person may not be right for you. Especially when investing, you need to consider your income, financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. AI tools and online financial advice are also becoming increasingly popular. But instead of blindly following recommendations, make sure you verify the information and understand the risks. Remember, fast money and smart money are not the same thing. So, let's quickly recap the 7 money mistakes Americans should avoid in 2026. Number 1. Carrying a credit card balance. Number 2. Ignoring your emergency fund. Number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Number 4. Failing to track small and large expenses. Number 5. Waiting too long to save for retirement. Number 6. Not managing your savings strategically. Number 7. Blindly following financial advice online. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Finance Orbit USA for more practical money and personal finance content. And let us know in the comments.